Ladies and gents, welcome back into the channel. I hope you are all doing well, had a wonderful weekend, and today we're checking out a new AI-powered decentralized market making tool. Goes by the name of VolumeMint, so it's got a tiny market cap at the moment. It is currently trading. It is actually on a tier 2 exchange right now, known as MEXC, and they are fighting for more tier 1s. And honestly, I think this one could personally be a great one to hold over the next 2 or 3 years. It's got a lot of utility, but we can see the market cap is just sitting at $7.79 million. So I just want to talk about this coin. This is a review right here, what I think could happen in the future. We can see we've got 60% of the coins in circulation, a total and maximum supply of 1 billion, with a fully diluted market cap of 11.72 million. So let's jump right in, guys. Whilst the markets are in a lull, can VolumeMint potentially make guys out there and girls, of course, some money in the crypto world? If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, like, and comment, and get yourself into the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord down below. So here it is, VolumeMint. Enhance your market presence with VolumeMint AI automated market making services. How VolumeMint works: it says volume amplified, costs simplified. Understanding project budgets, we help in settle aside a healthy budget and keeping on top aside of expenses and fees. And it says what they offer here is, it says they take care of your market presence. This is of course like crypto projects, leaving you time for development and marketing. So they also offer $50,000 of minimum daily volume, starting from as little as $500. So there's also a revenue share side of things. It's all about cost and control reduction, which is really, really important. But this is their main vision statement. And it says here, empowering crypto projects with automated liquidity and community-driven growth. And of course, this is going to help big projects out there excel. And it says, our vision, unlocking the potential of every crypto project and revolutionizing market making in the blockchain era. Join us in this journey. Crypto projects face significant hurdles in achieving and maintaining liquidity, which is vital for survival and growth in the competitive marketplace, because every day thousands of new coins are launching. So they're going to help coins efficiently deploy with a strong strategy and hopefully sort of navigate through that complexity to do so. So democratized market making, the bot offers an affordable subscription-based service that allows projects of all sizes to stimulate trading activity and maintain liquidity here. So it's actually an artificial intelligence bot, which is going to help projects out there grow, guys. So this is quite a new cool thing, and you can see the key features. They've got a revenue share platform, a big ambassador platform, got staking rewards. It's also a governance token with buybacks and burns, advanced trading simulations, innovative offset features, customizable parameters, and there's a few other cool things here. So overall, do think it looks good. It's nice to see as well a few details here on the tokenomics. We can see a 1 billion supply as we spoke about, 200 million go to development, 100 million to team and advisors. Marketing partnerships get 200 million, and then the token sale 500 million itself. So there we can see the breakdown where the coins are allocated and where they are going to. And they have a solid strategy, so already covered tons of influences. We can see it's got a doxed KYC team here, Nathan Carley with Wux Ali and Skyway as the advisor, a few other guys as well, as you can see over here. But at the moment, it looks like a project that's still in its infant stages, and it's still got a lot of potential to go to the upside once things do launch and fully get started with this token, because they will be deploying, like I said, on more exchanges over time. Right now, we've just got MEXC as the main one here, and there's going to be more and more that we will see for this token. The volume, most of the volume is coming from X markets right there, and MEXC, as we can see. Be careful of the small arbitrage here. Sometimes, you know, exchanges like X markets, they will reel people in because they think, oh look, this guy's going to buy some of this coin on MEXC for less and then sell it for more on our exchange once he transfers over. Be careful of these exchanges like X markets. It's personally not one I would want to hold any funds on. Okay, that's just from my own experience, right? So yeah, VolumeMint looking pretty good. Charting and marketing, we help with obtaining a great looking chart with good liquidity, helping you along the way with your marketing. So it's about this project right here, VolumeMint, allowing all the new DeFi projects, all the new layer ones, and all the new spawning cryptocurrency projects out there to generate volume and liquidity on the side, and of course provide excellent customer support whilst doing so. And with it being artificial intelligence, I always think, this is a really big thing in the markets, something everyone should be looking out for, because it has been a big trend before and it could easily trend up once again. So here we can see, just jumping into DEX tools on this token right here, 2.42k holders, so not a lot of holders. The market cap here is 11.69. I think that's the fully diluted value. Yeah, that's going to be the fully diluted, and then a 7 million current valuation. So if we just have a look at the quick, daily time frame, let's just kind of get to an understanding of what's going on with this token and how the price structure is looking. You can see we've got a ton of support at the 0.01 region, and we are forming a bit of a descending triangle here. So if this support is held nicely, we could see a lot of continuation to the upside. If I just blow the chart up very quickly, this is a consolidation pattern, and if we do retest the 0.01 level, which could potentially happen, it could potentially be a buyback opportunity. Alternatively, this support could be broken. If Bitcoin does crash 30%, it's likely we will see a negative trajectory. But if you're looking ahead in the future, guys, and if you think about how many new projects will start and how many new projects Volumint is going to partner with in the future, even if it does come down, I think overall the trajectory should be aiming towards the upside, and I think a realistic price prediction is somewhere around sort of a 20, 30, 40 or $50 million market capitalization. But it could still easily go parabolic and go to $500 million. So it's all about kind of diversifying, and if you believe in a project, if you think this project could be one that can do that, then that's totally up to you to diversify a little bit. You can see there's a lot of healthy liquidity here, which is obviously a green flag, with a fantastic looking DEX tools score of 99 out of 99. Here is the chart for MEXC, where you can see they're of course trading, which is of course good news to see them trading on a good exchange like this one. Really do love a bit of MEXC, to be honest. I think it's one of the best exchanges out there, but it really does look like a lot of consolidation. The all-time high for Volumint was at roughly, where was it? We can see it was over here. So all-time high was at $0.02. This was a little while ago by the looks of things. I can't actually see the date right now. This was actually December 2023. So this is when things are seriously parabolic. So the rest of the market was high. Bitcoin dominance was really high. The overall valuation was high because of the spot Bitcoin ETF news. We can actually see that, well, to be fair, it's pegging quite nicely to the overall sentiment of the market, which does tell me that, fingers crossed, we're not just going to see this do a horrible dump down to some sort of crazy level. Like, we're not just going to see this dump, hopefully 85%, right? We might just see small corrections with the market, like 15% corrections, 20% corrections, which are completely normal, and then movement to the upside. So do think this project's pretty cool. If you want to have a look at it, of course, there's multiple places you can buy it, trade it, but if you want to check it out, do some research and due diligence on the project. The link is right down below there for you. 2,421 holders, 18,000 total transfers, very low price, as we can see. When we look at the holders, when we try to break down the overall, the wallets with 1% plus, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 wallets here, I think, with 1% plus holdings. So, the wealth distribution doesn't look too bad either, to be fair, but 2,400 holders is certainly very low. So that could 10x to 24k. That could even 100x to 240k holders if they get their marketing and game right. Here it says on their Twitter, 76.6k followers, worth a little follow over there as well. Volumint, empowering crypto projects with automated liquidity and community-driven growth. Dashboard live 1st of February 2024. So watch this space, guys. Bookmark this, because they're going to have something big soon. They're going to have a new dashboard which will go live, and you can see, of course, for business to business point of view, these are all the different packages that they've also got live here. So they've got a 1.3k a month package. They've also got a 5,000 per month package as well, for the bigger tiers out there. But I think overall it looks quite interesting, and let's see what might potentially happen with Volumint over time. Guys, remember, this is not financial advice. Do not ape into these projects just because we talk about them. But this is one that could be worth looking at. My review here is it's a low market cap gem. It will always be risky. cryptocurrency is always a risky space. It does have some good utility as well. We've identified a low market cap. The volume I've identified as 600 million out of 1 billion, which isn't a huge amount, but remember, if 40% does get released for whatever reason, that will of course have a negative impact on the price, but it depends how that supply is of course released. I think overall, you know, I do feel pretty bullish about this one, but of course, no one's going to put 100% of all their money into one thing. At least I hope so. But it could be worth diversifying into. Might grab a small bag of about $500 of this one myself. Volume in on Changely. Price prediction here. They're saying by 2026 we could see highs of around 0.047, 0.045, which does give it a realistic 3 to 5x potential here. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you're new, subscribe. I'll see you all soon. And yeah, much more to come. Much more to come. So do subscribe. Big Discord down below. Check out the Volume In project. Thanks very much. Bye for now.